In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward as attachment in Gmail. This is a quick, reliable way to share an entire email exactly as it was received, including its original formatting and any attachments, packaged neatly as a single file. Start by opening Gmail and heading to your inbox. Take a moment to find the specific message you want to forward. When you forward as an attachment, Gmail wraps that original email into a file, so the recipient can open it and see everything as if it landed in their own inbox. This is especially useful when you want to preserve context, headers, or the original layout without anything getting altered. Once you've located the email, hover your mouse over it and right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Forward as Attachment. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click typically brings up the same menu. Selecting this option tells Gmail to attach the entire message as a file, usually with a .eml extension, which most email apps can open. Gmail will automatically open a new Compose window with the email attached. You'll see the file appear near the bottom of the draft with a paperclip icon. Now fill out the essential details. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Add a clear subject line that explains what you're sending, for example, that the original email is attached for review. In the message body, include a short note to provide context, why you're forwarding it as an attachment, and anything specific you'd like the recipient to look at. Before sending, take a quick look at the attached file name to confirm it's the right message. Remember, forwarding as an attachment includes the full content of the original email, and it can also include its attachments. Make sure you're comfortable sharing everything inside that original message. If you change your mind, you can remove the attachment directly in the draft before sending. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will deliver your message with the original email attached, preserving the exact content for the recipient to open and review on their end. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, pick the email, right-click and choose Forward as Attachment, then complete your draft and send. It's a simple workflow that keeps the original intact, makes troubleshooting and record-keeping easier, and avoids the formatting issues that sometimes happen with regular forwarding. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your email sharing.